Hi, I'm Andrei. Here you can see a very simple graph. I'll try to develop a short story about this graph. Here you can see the level of size, the size of 1 meter, the size of 10 on minus 15, 10 on plus 24. This is approximately a quark size. This is approximately a size of visible universe. My question is, what laws are ruling different sizes? It's quite obvious that here, somewhere, you can find Newtonian laws. On time scale, here you can find Isaac Newton. And somewhere here, let's put Albert Einstein. Now we can see a little bit what I'm trying to say. In this period of time, all that was visible and explainable was explained by Newtonian laws. Later, knowledge developed in both directions. So in this direction, here we can find relativity, time-space law. In this direction, we find quantum laws. So we've developed our knowledge to describe what we can perceive up to the limits of our perception. These are our limits. What is behind? Brains, multiverses, 10 plus dimensions. In this direction, strings, 10 plus dimensions. But what is even more important in this graph, within the realm of Newtonian laws size, there are not only these laws that are running our world, but also laws from here and from here. We can see that science that we normally believe lives inside here. And in this period, this was parascience, and this was parascience, because it was not visible, it was not explainable. Now this realm is science as well. What lies behind the current barrier we understand as something beyond scientifically proven laws. But what is even more important, that we should understand this graph as motion in time also in this direction. That the laws that we can understand on this level, the laws of sizes here, are at the same time laws that are running this world as well. Not so much, not in such a way as Newtonian laws, but we cannot say that this world goes on without the influence of laws from this section and the laws from this section. So quantum laws are and should be explained also in the realm on this size. This graph tells us that there is not a barrier here. There is only the fact that these laws are having much lower influence on this size as classic Newtonian laws. Now, why is this important as well? Within this graph, we can easily imagine the number of extended phenotypes of human being. Human can develop phenotypes on the level on which he or she perceives. In this period, we've done extended phenotypes on this level. Machines, simple machines. Later phones. Now CERN accelerator. Here we have a lot of extended phenotypes of human beings. More that we go in this direction, lower is the possibility that we develop extended phenotype. The question, how to develop extended phenotype in 10 plus dimensions. We cannot do this at this moment, but in the moment when we will be able to see outside this, to feel these dimensions, in that moment also extended phenotypes are going to be built in these dimensions. Thank you.